Hello, everyone. Welcome to the other lesson of Unit 13. This time, we're going to talk about the listening part. Let's remember the objective of the unit. So, remember, we are trying to talk about source and other places, ask for directions, and give directions. So, in this lesson, we're going to see a couple of conversations where we can see a person asking for directions and another conversation where a person is given directions. So pay attention. First of all, we are going to go over the compound nouns. Compound nouns. Compound nouns are this kind of nouns, sustantivos, compound, compuestos, sustantivos compuestos, compound nouns. Pay attention to the pronunciation of the following compound nouns.
Post office, gas station, restroom, coffee shop, drugstore, bookstore, supermarket, department store.
So as you could listen, most of the time, the compound nouns, we have two words separated or together. La mayoría de los casos en los que se presentan sustantivos compuestos por dos palabras separadas o unidas. Siempre la sílaba tónica o casi siempre la sílaba tónica se ubica en la primera palabra de las dos. For example, we have post office, post office. Uno trata de no decir post office or post office. Post office, post office. En la segunda palabra el acento quedaría como secundario. Gas station, gas station. Restroom, restroom. Coffee shop, coffee shop. Drugstore, drugstore. Bookstore, bookstore. Supermarket, supermarket. Department store, department store. Okay, let's see those words in a conversation. Conversation number one. It's an emergency. Listen.
Excuse me, can you help me? Is there a public restroom around here?
A public restroom? I'm sorry, I don't think so.
Oh no, my son needs a restroom, now. It's an emergency.
Oh dear. Well, there's a restroom in the department store on Main Street.
Where on Main Street?
It's on the corner of Main and First Avenue.
On the corner of Main and First?
Yes, it's across from the park. You can't miss it.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, in this conversation, we can see a man asking for some places. First of all, he asked for the help. This part, he's asking for help. Can you help me? Can you help me? So is there a public restroom around here? The woman asked a public restroom. Eh, I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm sorry, I don't think so. In the other part, the woman in this line indicates the direction. There's a restroom in the department store on Main Street. On Main Street. In the department store on Main Street. Remember, for directions, we use the prepositions. In this question, the man is asking for a specific, a little bit more specific direction. En esta pregunta, muy importante, cuando uno no se siente seguro de la dirección, puede preguntar por algo mucho más específico. Asking, where on Main Street? Where on Main Street? It's on the corner of Main and First Avenue. It's on the corner of Main and First Avenue. So in this case, the woman is being a little bit more specific. Yes, it's across from the park. Yes, it's across from the park. So in this conversation, they receive 1, 2, 3 different forms or 3 different directions in order to be more specific. Let's see the second conversation.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you help me? How do I get to St. Patrick's Cathedral?
Just walk up 5th Avenue to 50th Street. St. Patrick's is on the right.
Is it near Rockefeller Center?
Yes, it's right across from Rockefeller Center.
Thank you. And where is the Empire State Building? Is it far from here?
It's right behind you. Just turn around and look up.
So in this conversation, again, they're asking for some directions. How do I get to St. Patrick's Cathedral? How do I get to St. Patrick's Cathedral? And the woman is indicating this direction. Just walk up 5th Avenue to 5th Street, St. Patrick's on the right. The man asked for a little bit more specific direction. Is it near Rockefeller Center? Actually, it's like a confirmation. Yes, it's across from the Rockefeller Center. Reads and then ask for the Empire State Building. And the woman again gives the direction. It's right behind you. Just turn around and look up. En la mayoría de las veces cuando estamos dando direcciones o indicaciones, recuerden que utilizamos mucho las oraciones imperativas. Turn around, look up, etc. Now it's time for practice. Where are you right now? How can any person get there? How can you get to the nearest grocery store? Give directions. Now it's your turn to record yourself answering this question. Vas a tomar un momentito para responder estas preguntas. Grábate y envíamela. Okay? See you the next time. And remember, practice makes perfect.